This song goes out to all the believers. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have an everlasting life. As I am one, and this is my prayer.
As I step through this white world, from my mother's womb I learn how to be cruel. And that's the way how every man's were. Every hardest place, every human being, I learned to be a man, and I learned to be on the road. I learned to be the person who strive every season. I learned all the crime, to stand straight and firm. I fought for the people and I fought for the land. I fought for the reason that there's no gain. And I saw how man climbing for, and I saw how to revenge them all. But I never learned how to fight back the storm. Waiting by the fate, the Jesus is on. Standing on a strength, and life to carry on. Every moment of life is a test, where I need to learn how to be the best. Believe by the word, I want to be addressed. Every morning walked out the door, there's the news of the war. Waiting at my floor, I looked for myself, and this is the way I felt. What are we leading to another killing? What brought the cause of another Holocaust? From the time I started, I've seen all the falls. All the fault of the nation led to creation of another destruction. What in the love of a flock can serve? What in the power of Jesus can be heard? Where are we leading? Our hands are bleeding. This fears of the world, our hearts that I'm feeling here. I try to be a better man, I try to be a better child, I try to be a better friend. I try to be a better son, I try to be a better lover, I try to be a better person. And I try to be a better believer in everything I try, in all the way I try. Dear Lord, hear my cry. All I wanted to be was to be a better man, a better person in my life. Some point I start to see, standing here in the church and I start praying. All alone, stuck in while I start crying. But the word of the Lord always showing another way and place, another life to change. All the teachings of the Bible seems to be raised in my face and a form of way to trace. As I move on with this human race, trying to be in place and steal and I curse. All my life seems to burst. Now I thought of the other day when this will be in heaven's bay. I hooked up my cup and I cried to the Lord. Down on my knee, all I do is plead. Listen to the cry of this wicked man. Set the world with his wicked plan. Lend out your hand, take me back to the land. Set me free, teach me to be a better man. Let's go down pray. Dear Lord, what you say in my heart? Make my way, make my world a better day. Take me to the place far away, heaven, and that's the way I pray. Try to be a better man, I try to be a better child, I try to be a better friend. I try to be a better son, I try to be a better lover, and I try to be a better person. In everything I tried, in all the way I